And it's Weather on the One's time here on Spectrum News 1. Thanks for waking up with us on this Sunday morning. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. Another look at a pretty wet forecast. In fact, as we look ahead through the next week, you're going to need a little bit of everything. You're going to need those sunglasses at times. You're going to also need that hoodie or that sweatshirt, even the heavy jacket and the umbrella, especially over the next 24 to 36 hours. That umbrella will get a workout. But if you have plans through most of the daylight hours today across the tri-state, you should be in good shape. Just increasing clouds that really don't have an impact on anyone. Now, as we get toward this evening, that rainfall is going to start to move in, so impacts are going to increase as we get deeper into the night and especially the overnight hours. But just a medium impact here for the overnight because most of us are asleep while that rain is going to come down. But you can see that increasing cloudiness as we go through our Sunday, with that rainfall making its way in here by this evening and especially into the overnight hours. As we roll through Futurecast by the lunch hour, some of that cloudiness already starting to move in. And by dinner time, here comes the leading edge of that rain. And it's going to overspread the area again as we get ready for bed. There could be some pockets of moderate, maybe some heavy rainfall in here, but we're not worried about flash flooding or anything like that because this system is moving so quickly. It's sort of in and out of here by tomorrow morning's rush. Now, having said that, by tomorrow morning, we're going to see a lot of low-hanging clouds. It's going to be one of those days, especially in the morning, mist, drizzle, sprinkles, just kind of a raw day. It may also be a little bit on the breezy side as well, but this system does have a little bit of a punch to it. And easily here, when all is said and done, we are looking at a ½ inch to maybe an inch of rainfall by the time this system presses off toward the north and the east. So that rainfall is going to move in around sunset. Before that, a mild day with temperatures in the 50s thanks to a strong and stiff southwesterly wind. One or two spots may try to flirt with 60 degrees, but I don't think you're going to get there because those clouds are going to move in relatively quickly. And then tonight, upper 40s and lower 50s with the rain coming down, a mild night overall. Second system is going to be fast on that Monday system. That's going to bring us more shower chances on Tuesday. So the first half of the week is looking rather cloudy and wet. Then behind that system on Tuesday, we cool down rather quickly. Could see some flurries Wednesday afternoon. And then the rest of the week really not looking too bad with clouds and sunshine.
Thank you for sticking with us.